Hi. Today we're going to tell you about 3 tips to make the most out of Google AdWords. If you want to learn how to make the best use of this advertising service, but don't know where to start, here is an excellent chance for you to do that. Let's get started. Make smart use of single keyword ad groups. The idea behind single keyword ad groups, SKAG, is that using them to organize your ad campaign can allow your business to target highly specific keywords to boost your conversion rates ultimately. This can mean that customers looking for a specific product can be directed to a particular part of your website that matches their query, thus increasing the likelihood of a sale. Remember to use negative keywords. Since the concept of Google AdWords requires that you to pay Google for clicks to your website, it's important that you avoid targeting keywords that do not relate to your products. One way to go about ensuring that your advertisements aren't targeting the wrong audience is by making use of negative keywords. These are keywords you can set in your Google Ads account to exclude certain terms and phrases from your ad budget. Take regular advantage of what the system provides. It takes planning and constant diligence to pull off a successful Google Ads campaign, so remember to always look at the data to see which keywords are performing well and which ones require a different approach. Your account dashboard is home to many useful tools to help you work through all that information, and they can also help to be invaluable in reaching your customers. At this point, even if you're just starting out with Google AdWords, you now know how to make the most out of this advertising service. Although the process may seem complex and complicated at first, you can always schedule a meeting with an AdWords consultant to help you through the process. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.